I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed.
Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am finally getting to clean the basement. We have been doing some small upgrades on this place, so I wanted to finally put it together and make it look nice because we have things everywhere. We finished the basement a while ago actually. I just have minor things to touch up, which I can do at any time, but the big things like painting all this was a yucky color. But anyways, so throughout this video I was thinking that I'm gonna insert the before pictures of how this place used to look. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it throughout the video or at the end of the video. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna structure this video, but I wanted to start off with the cleaning part of it, and then maybe I'll, as I'm showing you the overall, after I finish cleaning it, maybe I can show you guys the before pictures just to give you an idea of how insane this place used to look and how dark it is. Now, the lighting is so bad, right? It's so bad. It's like yellow. As you can see, like I have a yellow undertone on my face as well. I don't know how I'm gonna get the lighting to work a little better during filming, but I'm gonna try. Anyway, so if it's a little yellow, please forgive me. I haven't put the daylight light bulbs in. I'm gonna have my husband do that for filming purposes. I had him do the whole house before, except for down here, so I'm gonna need that. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the cleaning part of it, and then I'm gonna do some decorating with a few things that I've done in some of my DIYs. I specifically actually did them for this place, so I'm gonna pull this place together somehow and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. Being able to lighten this living room has been an absolute dream for me because the dark wood was honestly driving me crazy. So this just goes to show how a coat of paint can really change a space. And this was definitely a project that my husband and I kind of had to brace ourselves for because we knew it was going to take us a long time. And with the two kids being around, we knew we couldn't work on it whenever we wanted. So it took us quite a bit of time, which now I can definitely say was well worth it. But if you ever want to make any improvement in your home, take on a project, you know, the work just seems impossible until you actually get it done, and then you're just like, wow, it actually looks really good. So I was so excited for this place to come together. These bookshelves have been collecting a lot of stuff on it, so I was just going through to throw away. Some of the stuff was garbage and some of the stuff had to be put in their place. As you can see, they were so dusty, so I wanted to clean them up first and also empty the whole bookshelves because I was gonna move it and put it in its proper position in the back of the living room. Another thing I tried to do was to paint the bookshelf. The first paint I tried did not stick. It just peeled and there were like bubbles forming. So I know this is not real wood, so I don't know what could possibly work for it. I tried chalk paint on the side of one. You're gonna see it in a second when I try to move it. And I let it dry for about 24 hours and I came back to see if the chalk paint took or didn't work at all. And unfortunately, as you can see, some spots did not work. It's that gray blotchy spot you're seeing there. it didn't work. So I don't know what kind of paint I could possibly use to change these bookshelves. And then for the shelves themselves, I tried the contact paper. It's just from the dollar store, and it's nice, but I didn't want to cover the whole thing with contact paper. That's why I wanted to try out the paint and see if it would actually work, but unfortunately it didn't. So I don't know if spray paint is my my next option. I'm kind of scared to keep testing them out. Eventually I'm just gonna ruin them and then end up throwing them out. But yeah, here I just wanted to go through our books and organize them nicely. I organized it all in this bookshelf, and then you're gonna see later I actually take them off and I move them to the next one.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh,
So I shuffled the furniture around, the couches around, to see which way it would fit. The smaller single seat is actually from the set in my upstairs living room, and eventually we're gonna bring it back up. I just my husband wanted it for downstairs for a little bit, so here I was just trying to rearrange the furniture and see which way fits better. And in the end, you're gonna see we totally moved everything around. So once I did that, I wanted to go ahead and vacuum the space, because while I was moving the furniture, it kind of allowed me to vacuum everywhere, even under where the couches were. And that tree, you guys, the fake tree, it's gonna end up in the garbage one of these days. I just can't stand how yucky it is. And actually I noticed that when we were painting the walls, the paint got on the tree itself, so it's kind of looking gross right now. So here I am bringing the pictures that we have upstairs to downstairs. I knew I wanted to do the collage on this wall, and it looked so good, so I'm glad that I made that decision to bring the pictures downstairs.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough.
Now it was time for decorating the shelves a little bit, and these vases that you see here are the faux vases that I made in a video. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm gonna link it down below and also somewhere up here, so you can go ahead and watch it after you watch this. And then those are books that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just painted them to kind of make them like decorative books, and they turned out really good. And then these are some of the pictures that I had upstairs. I was kind of shopping my own home before I go out. Anyways, the stores are closed. I can't even buy anything right now, but I was trying to shop my home and move decorations around to see what fit, and this one side was good until I went to the other side, and that is where all the wires are, and I could not stand it. I literally had no idea how to work the wires, and yeah, this is it right here. And I brought this little wicker basket, and that's where I was keeping my husband's controllers and remotes and some of the extra chargers that he has downstairs. But even then, it still looked messy. So I don't know how you guys hide your wires. If you have a tip on how to hide these wires, please let me know, because I need it. This lamp is one of the 2 lamps that I had in our master bedroom, so I got new lamps for our master bedroom, and I decided to use these ones for downstairs, and the other one is still upstairs, but I'm still looking for coffee table and side tables for downstairs. So once I figure all that out, I will be able to bring both lamps downstairs. But currently we have the tall lamp that was also from upstairs and the small lamp, and I think the lighting is much better.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost and never answer when I hit your phone up. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you are.
So I wanted to change this picture frame here and replace it with a canvas that I have had for a long time. I'm sure in the future I'm probably gonna end up taking it off and putting something else, but for now this canvas will have to do.
Tryna get you out of my head, I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body.
Now I'm gonna show you guys the before, and then I will go ahead and follow it up with how it's going currently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you have not done so, or if you are new. And thank you so much for stopping by and always getting some cleaning motivation from me. So let me know down in the comments below if you have any spring projects that you are working on, or summer projects that you plan to work on for this year. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast, before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
To feel your power, you changed my voice, you locked it in and put out any fire. And still with one touch, you got me where you want me, yeah. And it's like a rush, the waves that crash inside me, and you carved it deep into my heart that you're the king of lions. went under. And still with one touch, you got me where you want me.